Gary Rosebrough, Superintendent, here at the Pryor City Library, renovation and add-on. This is an existing library. We've attached and added on to 3 different locations. We've added on new office space and kitchen space for the staff workers. We have added an addition on for classrooms and just further general space with meeting rooms, more bathrooms, more offices. And then as the project progressed, we added another addition called the museum, which that will contain all of the natural American art that has been collected in the Pryor City area. The library was very old. It really needed a lot of upgrades. Once we started the project, we realized there was things that we were doing with the additions that other things could be done around that could add more value and make the place look a little bit cleaner and better eye appeal. So we have done that, and that has added interior remodel to this facility. Renovating a building in the town that I live in is kind of special. Old towns get run down and they always need to be upgraded, and this one was really needed. I'm so pleased that they did this. It'll look modern when we're done, and it won't look like it was built in 1954. The library project started on June 1st, as well as the police and fire, and we are looking for a completion date of that project around the 1st or middle of October. I really feel like this facility will be something that the town of Pryor should be really proud of once we are complete.